हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड वेलकम टू ए टू जेड सॉल्यूशंस। आज हम देखने वाले हैं ग्रेड 6 के साइंस चैप्टर में से चैप्टर नंबर 8 के सॉल्यूशंस, एक्सरसाइज सॉल्यूशंस। द चैप्टर नेम इज लाइट, शैडोज एंड रिफ्लेक्शंस। So without spending much time, let's begin with the solutions. First question. Rearrange the boxes given below to make a sentence that helps us to understand opaque objects. So there are some jumbled boxes have been given in which there are some letters. So we have to arrange them properly and make a sentence. Right. So let's see what is the solution. So third box should come in the first position. So opaque. Opaque objects make shadows. So this is the sentence which is made from these boxes. Let's move to the next question. Classify the objects or materials given below as opaque, transparent and translucent, as well as luminous. Okay, so here is a big list of objects which is given, and we are going to categorize them into three groups such as opaque, transparent, translucent, and the other classification is luminous and non-luminous. So first we'll classify the objects into opaque groups. A piece of rock. Piece of rock is a object which is opaque. A sheet of aluminium, a mirror, a wooden board, a CD, a piece of red hot iron, an umbrella, a lighted fluorescent tube, a wall, a sheet of carbon paper, the flame of a gas burner, a sheet of cardboard, a lighted torch, kerosene stove, sun, firefly, and moon. These are the objects which are opaque. So what are the transparent objects? Air and water are the transparent. Translucent. A sheet of polythene, smoke, a sheet of plain glass, fog, a sheet of cellophane, a wire mesh. These are translucent objects. Now let's see luminous objects. A piece of red hot iron, a lighted fluorescent tube, the flame of a gas burner, a lighted torch, sun, and firefly. These are luminous objects. Now the non-luminous objects: air, water, a piece of rock, a sheet of aluminium, a mirror, a wooden board, a sheet of polythene, a CD, smoke, a sheet of plain glass, fog, an umbrella, a wall, a sheet of carbon paper, a sheet of cardboard, a sheet of cell phone, a wire mesh, kerosene, stove, and moon. These are non-luminous objects. Let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Can you think of creating a shape that would give a circular shadow if held in one way and a rectangular shadow if held in another way? The solution: a cylinder object can cast shadows in two ways. When the top circular view faces the shining object, a circular shaped shadow is formed. When its curved side faces the shining object, it casts a rectangular shadow. So these two types of shadows will be formed. Next question, that may be the last question. Question number 4. In a completely dark room, if you hold up a mirror in front of you, will you see a reflection of yourself in the mirror? No. To see the reflection, source of light is required. We can see only in the presence of light. So when we are standing in front of a mirror in a dark place, we'll not be able to see because there will be no light.